So welcome back, guys, and I will be providing you guys with a very quick update about the Bahamas World Relay happening right now. So the race took place, and the Dominican Republic they came second position. The Netherlands were first position in a time of 3 minutes 12 seconds point 16, while the Dominican Republic were second position in 3.14.39 seconds, while Jamaica were third position in a time of 3 minutes point 14 seconds, while the Bahamas, which they are the host nation, came in a time of fourth position in a time of 3 minutes point 14.86 in a new season best. Germany were fifth position, Colombia were sixth position, and Brazil took the seventh position. Now there is a very big upset if you look at this race, because I was expecting the Jamaicans to came, of course, first position, and I was not also expecting the Bahamas as a host nation to be taking fourth position. It is very disappointing because as a host nation, it is a very big disgracement to see that you are being eliminated as fast as possible. Um, and to the Jamaicans, I feel like probably they will be qualified by the fastest round of. Yes, definitely Jamaica will have a chance of qualifying to the next round. So guys, this is just the round one of the relay that took place today. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because I will be giving you update on the relay that is happening.